Hello, my name is Aaron Hyde. I am in the advanced class in NPTI Orlando. Today we're going to go over how to calculate from your body weight, your percentage, and what your lean body weight is, your fat mass is, and the total goal weight loss. So today our client is going to weigh 270 pounds. He has 26% body fat. To change 26 into a decimal, you just move the decimal to the left. It becomes 0.26. Okay, so that's important because in our equations we break it down into that way. So step one is you take 270, multiply it by 0.26, and it gives you 70 pounds. 70 pounds would be your fat, your total body weight in fat mass. So 70 pounds of fat mass. Okay, step two is you take 270 minus 70, which is 200. 200 would now be your lean body mass. Okay, that's how much muscle you have, that's how much bone density you have, that's how much organ tissue, organs you have, all that fun stuff. Step three, to get your ideal body weight to get your ideal body fat, you're gonna have to take your body fat percentage that you want or desire. This client wanted 20%, so basically you take 20%, make it into a decimal, 0.20, okay, and then this is the equation you get for 80%. It'd be 1, so you're one whole person and you want 20%, so then you get 8.80. That would be from your 20%. Then you take your lean body mass, divide it by 0.80, and you come up with 250 pounds at 20%. Okay, so that's how much you're potentially going to weigh at 20% body fat. And then step four is you minus 270 starting weight minus what you're going to weigh at 20%, and you come up with 20 pounds of fat loss. And then from there, we go to macronutrients.